how to buy or sell crypto on Lbank wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy or sell crypto on Lbank. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can open up the Lbank application and you should be at the home page. Remember, once you're on the home page here, what you want to do is you can see the option that says buy crypto right there on the screen. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get the option to buy it directly, or you can see the P2P option. Now if you simply want to buy it directly, you can simply tap on credit debit card option, and you can see here what you can do is what you want to buy. You want to select the token that you wish to buy. Once you select it, you want to enter in the amount and such, and then you want to select the payment method here, whether you want Visa, wire transfer, MasterCard, Apple Pay, wallet.com, Google Pay and such. Then you can go ahead and select buy. Once you select it here, you want to select choose the merchant as well, and once you choose the merchant, you can simply tap on buy here. Make sure to enter the amount here. Similarly, if you wish to sell, you can head over to the sell tab, then select the fiat currency that you wish to receive. Once you do so, you want to enter what you wish to sell, and you want to enter what you wish to sell, the token and amount. Then you want to select the payment method and similarly choose the merchant and tap on sell. So you'll have to enter in your payment details that you will like to receive as well. You can see bank transfer option, and you can go ahead and receive on bank transfer. Similarly, you can use P2P to buy and sell as well. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.